この今の衰退していく日本の中において、仮に3000店舗以上出せる業態、ブランドがあるとしたら、サブウェイしかないと。
Watami, a major tavern chain, announced October 25th that it has acquired 100% of the shares of US sandwich chain Subway's Japanese subsidiary and obtained the rights to operate Subway stores in Japan. Watami operates Japanese-style pub and yakiniku or grilled meat chains, but analyses that future expansion will be difficult and aims to attract health-conscious young people and other customers through Subway. Subway currently has 178 stores in Japan, but the company plans to open more stores in commercial facilities and on university campuses, with a target of 3,000 stores.